Okay. I'm a little early. I'm testing things out here. Alrighty. All right. All right. All right. All right. So I'm just testing this out. Something new in terms of doing my workouts. 2021 is going to be all here. Well, not all of it, but okay. So we got about 3, 4 minutes. Hold on a moment. So just sit tight. Now, on this particular one, typically I do the workouts on Facebook Live and you can hear the music. I'm working on trying to get the music in line with the audio. So, my first thing was to get the audio clear, which I know it's pretty clear now. So, next, maybe on the next one, I'll have figure out how to add the music in as well so that can come out clear too. So, if you have some music at home, put it on the background for yourself. All right, let's see if this gets going. All right, you'll only be able to hear me, not the music today, unfortunately. And let me know who that is that popped in if you can chat. This is kind of like a test too, you guys. So, as long as we got the volume well, I'm happy about that. I mean, the audio for the mic. And let's get moving, okay? All right, it's just going to be about a 20-minute workout. It's going to be energizing. Let's take a deep breath in, breathe it out. Inhale and exhale. And exhale. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Good. And reach it down in front. Ooh, push the chest towards the knees. And then bend those knees slightly, bounce, and then roll it up. Good. A little bit of a twist. So we're going to hit 2 rounds today. Like I said, this is a test. I wanted to see how this worked. All right, let's run those arms like you're running. Swing them front, back. Reach out front, pull it back. Nice. And reach it over to one side and then the other. And reach. And reach. Good. And let's lunge that. Put that leg back. Take it to a Gentle lunge. Doesn't have to be a deep lunge. And switch. Nice. Bring those feet together. Bend the knees and then straighten. Bend, straighten it up, and straighten and roll the body up. Roll those shoulders back. Alrighty. This is different. I think I like it on Facebook because I can typically see who joined the video. This is different in that you can't see who joined it. So remember, this is just a test. All right, let's start with our side to side bounce. I'm looking, I can just see that 2 on there. All right. So we're going to start with a little cardio. We're going to have 4 moves only, back to back. First one is going to be a bounce, side to side. All right. And then we'll take it up from there. Ready? 4, 3, 2, go. Bounce. Good. Swinging those arms helps increase the energy output. Breathe it in. Heart rate's coming up. Bet you didn't think it would, but it does. Keep it going. You got 15 seconds, 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 2, and 1. Good job. All right. We're breathing. Feet are shoulder width apart now. We're going to start with the deadlift. Hands right behind the back. Sorry, right behind the neck. You're going to take it over, bring it up, and then reverse lunge, okay? So deadlift, bring it up, reverse lunge, reverse lunge. When you hit that deadlift, hinging at the hips, soft bend in the knees, keep that chin and chest up, bring it up, and reverse. Good. Hit it again, and bring it up. When you come up, squeeze the bottom. Good. Now with the deadlift, make sure you're using those legs. So you got the glutes, hamstrings doing the work, not your lower back. 1 and 2 and rest. Good. Whew, this is different, I tell you. I don't know why, because I'm doing the same thing, but I feel like I can't see anyone. All right. Jumping jacks next. We got 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now to modify these, you can hit side jacks where you're pressing those arms up. Not so much impact on the knees. Squeeze the belly tight. I'm going to keep going because I needed to work out after Thanksgiving myself. 5 seconds. 3, 2, rest. Whew. All right. Next one. Last move. All right, we're starting off on one side. Feet are together. Ski squat position. You're going to come down. Take it over. 1, 2. Come up. Calf raise. Shoulder press. Back down into the ski squat. All right. Woo. Ready? 4, 3, 2, and go. Ski squat. Watch those knees. Step, step, press. Good. 1, 2, press. 1, 2, press. And 1, 2. Good. Breathe it out. Come up on those tippy toes, calf raise. Strong ankles. 2. 1, 2. 1 more. And rest. Woo! All right, that was one round. Okay, we're going to hit one more round. And that'll be it for today. It's just intended to give you a little energy boost, especially after eating whatever you might have eaten during Thanksgiving. A lot of people eat a lot. You may not have. So, this is to help you kind of get that wheel moving again. All right, let's take it from the top, side to side. Got those arms moving, okay? So we're here. Really make it count. So swinging those arms and go. Nice little bounce. Can't even hear my pitter patter. I actually like this one. Good for your shoulders. You have to keep those arms tight, even though you're swinging them loosely. You just don't want them going all over the place. 10 seconds. 4, 2, and rest. Good. All righty. We got the deadlift to the reverse lunge. Hands right behind your neck, elbows out to the sides. Feet are more than shoulder width apart, just about shoulder width apart. Hinge at the waist. Bring it up. Reverse, reverse. Good. 1, 2. Chest towards the ground. Bring it up. Hit it again. Most important thing with the deadlift, nice flat back. We're getting warmed up now. Up. 2. One more. And 1, 2. Good job. All right, jumping jacks next. Ready? 4, 3, 2, and 1. Side jacks if you need to. Breathe it out. Another important thing, make sure you breathe in. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 2, rest. Woo! All right. That is something else. All right, we're going to squat it down. Ski squat. Over to the side for 2. Step 2. Up to the calf raise. Shoulder press. And squat. 1, 2. Press. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep it low. Nice flat back. Sitting into the hips. 1, 2. 1, 2. Almost there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Last one. Woo! All right. Good job. All righty, you guys. Grab some water. Make sure you hydrate. And then we'll stretch it out. All right. Each time we get to doing this, it's going to be better and better. Can't wait till I figure out, roll those shoulders back. Inhale. I can't wait to figure out how to get the music in too. Woo! Hope you're feeling good. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe. All 2021, we're working on bringing as much exercise to you so you can work on your mobility, flexibility, endurance, and strength. Woo, bring those arms behind you. Press those arms up. Good. And in front, round the back, press the back towards the wall. Raise them above your head. Take it over to one side, then the other. Good job. Wrist circles down. Let's circle the neck in front, one side to the other. Exhale when you bring that head forward. Good. And back. Woo. All right, if we would have done one more round, boy, would have been sweating. Take the head over. Nice. Let's lunge it over to one side. Press the chest towards the ground. You're hinging forward, not in the same direction as the lunge. Okay? In front. Reach it down. Press the chest towards the knees. Keep that chin up, especially if your heart rate is up. Press into those heels. A little bit of a bounce. Now, let's see if you can bring it all the way down. Take it over side to side. Good. And back to the middle. Turn those toes forward and roll the body up. Roll those shoulders back. Woo! Feeling good. Energized now. Roll those shoulders forward. Inhale. Hold those arms up there. Reach, reach, reach. Lift the rib cage. Allow the oxygen to flow to those lungs. Nice job. Thank you so much for joining me. We got to keep going no matter what. Rotate those ankles too. Switch. And done. Good job. Thank you. I'll keep uploading some more videos and doing a couple lives as the channel just continues to grow. But do me a favor and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And be sure to tell your friends as well. I'm going to be adding more and more stuff. You'll enjoy it. That will fit.